Hello YouTube. Let's start directly with the video. When a boss threatens you or a high authority figure treats you like a garbage, it feels like your entire universe is collapsing. Well, Adler argues it with the point that it is just the illusion of micro community. You are mistakenly taking a tiny room for the entire world. The core thesis for this video is going to be listen to the voice of higher community. We are breaking this exact mindset with the tool Adler gives to escape the tyranny of the authority figures. Let's understand the illusion of small cage. Human beings are naturally bound to anchor their entire reality with the immediate society or community they get. It could be like your school, your office, your household, or etc. And when you get an oppression or rejection there, you feel like I don't belong here, then I don't belong anywhere. Adler asks you to just shift your boundaries and broaden your horizon. And once you brought it up, your storms in that small community would feel like storms in a small teacup. To understand this further, I would like to read out a very specific example from the book itself, The Courage to be Disliked. Our student faces an absolute authoritarian school teacher who rules the classroom with the fear and demands of total obedience. Within the walls of the classroom, a teacher holds absolute power. The student feels completely powerless, believing that obeying and rebelling are the only options, because the school feels like entire world. What happens when the student applies Adler's rule? The student looks past the school walls, he looks at the community of the town, the nation, and society. Outside the school gates, the teacher is not God. The teacher is just an ordinary citizen, a single human being bound by the exact same societal laws as the student. On the scale of larger community, the student and the teacher are completely horizontal peers. So what do we understand from this? We understand that the teacher and the student are two equal human beings. The tyranny illusion of teacher just exists in the small cup of school system. When a relationship in a micro community turns out to be toxic or oppressive, you should not beg to fit in. That's the first and foremost rule. You should not beg to fit in. And also you should not let others to turn down your spirit. If a relationship can be broken simply by looking at the larger community, it should be broken for the good. If a company manager uses fear to control you, step back and realize that the arbitrary rules of the company runs within just that system. You belongs to a wider world, not their corporate ladder. So, next time when a corporate authority makes you feel small, just zoom out. Zoom out the room, zoom out the building, and zoom out this world and see yourself as the global member of this community and the universe. Never let the small room define your massive value. You belong to the universe, not the small cage. Thanks for watching.